Hey you guys, I am doing a grocery haul video for you today. I did a little survey a couple weeks ago and you guys said that you really enjoyed my grocery haul videos. So I am going to go into the grocery store today. I am at Grocery Outlet, which I love. They have the best deals ever. They are locally family owned, which is so cool. It's a chain. We have quite a bit of them in Northern California, but I'm not sure if they are national or not. But our grocery outlet that's nearby is so great. They don't always have everything I need, but they do always have really great deals. So I'm going to head into the grocery store. I have my list and some ideas of what we're going to make for dinner, and I'm going to go shop. I'll bring you guys with me, and I just love that you guys are enjoying my grocery haul videos. They are super fun to make and to share with you guys what we're having for the week. So I'm going to go get some groceries, and then once I get home, I'll share them all with you guys. All right, let's go shopping. All right, I love this store. It is so clean and so organized. And like I said earlier, they have the best deals also. So I'm going to find all the good deals today. Look at these 3 for $1 Easter chocolates. And they have these Oreo ones right here, 4 for $1. I don't need these, but still a great deal. I love all their bag salads. They have this maple bourbon bacon, avocado ranch. They have this steakhouse wedge. And my favorite, I love all these salads, but my favorite is the Southwest. I'm going to grab one of these. Love their produce section. Really great produce. So clean and organized. It's just awesome, you guys. Those oranges look super good. And then all the bag salads. Like, you guys know how much I love salad. So tons of bag salads. And I love the bagged veggies. I'm going to get some Brussels sprouts and broccoli, $2.69. So awesome. So they have a fish section. And so there's some salmon. It's kind of picked over a little bit. They must be getting a shipment probably soon. But they have a stuffed salmon. I've never gotten this one. It looks really good. But I'm just going to get some regular salmon this week. We love salmon. The boys love it. Have the cilantro lime dressing. Looks super good. $1.99. They have seriously the best prices. Love this green goddess dressing. $1.99 for that one. Just tons of condiments and dressings. Organic. They always have lots of organic stuff also. So that one. They have sesame teriyaki sauce. This looks like one of the teriyaki sauces I get. Looks awesome. They always have tons of really cool olive oils. And I love the packaging on a lot of these. That's such a cool bottle. And just looks awesome and great prices. So lots of that. Apple cider vinegar. You guys know I'm obsessed with apple cider vinegar. I'm going to get this. It's a refresher. So I think it's already like mixed with stuff and you can just drink it. Looks awesome. I'm going to get it. I'll let you guys know how it is. Tons of frozen shrimp and really good deals on these, you guys. I love getting frozen shrimp here. I'm definitely stocking the freezer up with that. Almond milk. We always get almond milk. This super great price, $1.99. That's really good. This Boom Chicka Pop popcorn is awesome. White chocolate peppermint kettle corn. White cheddar. Oh my gosh, I don't need these, you guys, because I'll eat the whole bag. But 99 cents. Dark chocolate kettle corn, 99 cents. Crazy. These keto bites. These look fun. You guys know I love anything keto. So they are cocoa keto bites. No added sugar. Tastes great. So I'm going to have to give these a try, you guys. I'm going to let you know how they taste. 2 for $1 fruit snacks. Cauliflower bites. Oh, these look fun. They always have the coolest snacks here. So I'm going to have to give these a shot, you guys. I don't know. Sometimes they aren't that great, but I definitely want to give these a try. And we love seaweed. These look awesome. $5.99 for, it's a 12 pack, which is really great. But I just realized it's Korean barbecue flavor. All right, you guys, I am back from my grocery outlet haul and I did super good. I spent $169.60 on everything for the week. So tons of great deals. I will go through everything with you guys. I'm going to start over here on this end. We got our eggs, of course, always have to have eggs. The price is getting better, which is so awesome. especially right before Easter. So lots of eggs, and then have our sandwich thins for the week. They have these really cool California roll little sushi bites. They're in the frozen section and they're actually not bad. So I had to pick up some of those. I have salmon. We love salmon. Try and have it like every other week or so. Croutons. I got the frozen shrimp because in a couple weeks it's going to be National Shrimp Scampi Day. You guys know I love celebrating every National Food Day. So some frozen shrimp. So I'll have those in a few weeks. Edamame, the kids love edamame, so it's super good. It's a nice big bag. We have our other vegetables, Brussels sprouts and broccoli. I have the Southwest chopped salad. So I like to add a little chicken to this, and it is really, really good. Bananas, grapes, tons of frozen fruit. My husband's been into smoothies lately, so I got lots of frozen blueberries and frozen strawberries, 2 big old bags. They had mini corn dogs, which my kids really, really like. I don't get them all the time, so they'll be super excited. Be a nice little treat for them. Have our sliced cheese, baby carrots. We go through a ton of baby carrots. This sliced salami, and it is really, really good. We've gotten this one before, but it's been a long time. But it's really good, and it's like not hand sliced, but it's like really thick, like nice sliced salami. So big old huge bag of that. That'll last a while. You guys saw the super awesome deal on almond milk. I wanted to get 2, but we still have some left over from last week, so I just didn't want to get too much. The awesome fruit snacks, 50 cents a box. It's crazy, you guys. And there is, how many? I think there's 10 in each box. So 50 cents a box, $1 for 2 boxes. So awesome. The mayonnaise, $1.49. Can't beat that. And I really like the squeeze kind. I just don't like touching mayonnaise, getting it out of the jar with a spoon for some reason. I just don't like that. I like the squeeze ones. Awesome deal on the ketchup. Also, $1.99. I think I'll have to check on that one, but it was less than $2. Big thing of tortillas. Benjamin loves quesadillas, so we always have lots of tortillas. Hamburger buns for our smash burgers that we're going to make on the Blackstone. We just got a new Blackstone, so we are trying it out. We're going to do some smash burgers. I have the ground beef right here. I was looking up some other YouTube videos on smash burgers, and they recommended to use the 80-20. So I found this one, and it's organic, so that's awesome. So we're going to make some smash burgers tomorrow night for dinner. And these cauliflower bites, I am going to have to do a taste test video for you guys because I love trying these new fun things that they have at Grocery Outlet, but sometimes they're not that great in taste. But I'm going to give these a try, and I think I'm going to make a video for you guys when I try them. I'm kind of busy this week, but I think maybe in the next couple weeks. Then also these keto bites, have not tried these. I think maybe I'll do a combination video for you guys and try these 2 things and see how they are. But they look delicious, but we'll see. And you know I love my apple cider vinegar. So this is pretty cool. It's like a whole drink all in one. So if it's good, I'll have to maybe like recreate it like I like to do with all my apple cider vinegar detox drinks. But just love this brand, Bragg's apple cider vinegar. It's awesome. So the smash burger ground beef, I got a pork loin. I love to make this in the crock pot, and it just shreds up really good, really great for sandwiches, salads, all kinds of stuff. So this is what we're having for the week this week. I still have a bunch of stuff that I didn't get that we're going to have, like spaghetti and meatballs that the boys are really into, and then tacos also. So there's a couple things that aren't here in this haul, but we'll be having this week. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this one. Thanks for coming shopping with me. I hope that you have a really great day, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. I will see you guys all next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel also if you're new. I'll be doing tons more grocery hauls, just like you guys said that you wanted on my survey. So they will be coming more often. So I hope you guys enjoy them, and I'll see you all again soon.